Hey guys, welcome back. So my name is Mehak and in this week's tutorial we are going to paint this beautiful floral bouquet using ink and watercolors. I'll show you my step-by-step process how I draw and paint these flowers using wet on wet technique and gradient wash. So without any further delay, let's get started. Well, we're almost finished and I hope you enjoyed painting these beautiful florals with me today, which you can frame and put it on your walls. If you liked this video, consider subscribing because I'll be back with a new tutorial next week. And don't forget to connect with me on Instagram where I'll take you behind the scenes of my favorite watercolor techniques, tools and supplies. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye.